Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring YWigs. Now get into this because this is a reinstall of their body wave crochet feather crochet hair that I have previously installed. I will link that video, the original video, but this is the reinstall using that same hair. I had quite a few questions at the time on whether the hair reverts back to the original wave, and it does. I did co-wash this hair with conditioner. All products used will be linked down below, but this is what it looks like. So I will be doing miracle knots with this one. In this video, I'll be showing you multiple ways to install them. One way that I'm going to show you is the no knot method, and then I show you the traditional miracle knot method. Honestly, I prefer the knots. The no knot is cool, but as far as security, I just prefer the knot. Plus, I make sure to take my time when removing them. So I'm going to show you first up how to do the no knot method. You pull the hair through the braid and then you wrap that string around it until you get to the part of the thread where the hair begins again. Then you take your needle, push it through, and you loop it on both ends. So you basically loop it at the start, and wherever the string is, you wrap that around your braid, and then you pull the hair through it again. That is the no knot method. So if you're someone who's wanted to try but you're hesitant because of the hair breakage, you can definitely use this method to avoid that. So in this video, I told you I will be showing you both ways. So I do go back to the original miracle knot method, and then I switch back to the no knot. So I will have timestamps down below so you can check the timestamp. You can check the timestamps if you want to skip ahead to that particular part of the video. Now, this was also supposed to be what's called a French curl install, but honestly I decided to use my wand curl at the end. So I used my Hot Tools wand curl. This is a super long barrel, and because this hair is really long, I knew it would create the perfect waves. That I got from Amazon, and it was like it was less than $30. So it's super hot. You can gauge it. It came with a glove, so there's a glove to protect your hand from like heat or whatever. So if it gets super hot, being that it's a wand curl and there's no clip, they do provide you with a glove to protect your hand. So that's what I use to curl the hair at the end. I think for a French curl, the hair is mostly straight until you get to the bottom and you have those big voluminous curls at the bottom, but I just decided to do the wand curls from the top to the bottom, and I think it looks really good. So we're gonna say that this is a twist on French curl. So here on this side, I decided to go back to the original miracle knot, and I tried something a little different. I wanted to do like an ombre look. So at the very top, I started with black, and this is the same black crochet hair from the original install. And then towards the bottom, that's when I fed in the brown. So to create the illusion of ombre, I went from black to brown, and as you can see, I use a lot of this hair, and I love the finished look, y'all. It's so pretty. So for the size, I did like a medium small size, and just keep in mind that if you want your miracle knot braids to be long, the lower you place the first strand is going to give you that length. So for example, I start to plait my hair and I don't place the first piece of crochet hair in the middle of the braid. I bring it down more towards the end. That way it's going to maximize the length. So as you can see, this is coming along super full and super long. If I had to say what length the braids were because of the way they fall, I'm gonna say it's about a 24, 26. And this is only 20-inch hair. So if you want to go for the long look, I suggest placing your first piece of crochet hair towards the bottom. So for clarification, I'll insert short videos because I did film a few TikToks so you can see up close how to do this process step by step. Also keep in mind that there's a whole playlist. I have an entire playlist featuring all of my miracle knot crochet hair installs. So if you want to check out some different textures and some different colors, definitely check that playlist, which will be linked at the end of this so you can see all the different styles that I have created. So now we're getting to the top, and if I had to say how many pieces of hair that I installed per braid. I would say I did about 6 pieces per braid, and that is to ensure that it was very full. I wanted this install to be very, very full, and that's exactly what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this process, and then I will jump back in once we get to the French curl, inspired French curl part where I start to wand the hair. So now that I'm all done at this part, I just spray the hair down with my continuous spray bottle, and then I'm going to blow this out. Just a pro tip, to get the best curls, you definitely want to blow dry your hair prior. That's why I decided to wet it down, and I did blow dry my hair on a low heat setting. Once I was done blow drying the hair, I did take medium to small sections, and I made sure to comb the hair through. I wanted it to be smooth, and then I start to wrap the hair around the iron. So here, as I stated, I'm blowing it out. I didn't use any products like heat protectant. I just blew it out as is. And then once it was completely dry, I went ahead and I used the iron, and I absolutely love it. I didn't use any holding spray, and I wish I would have come back because I did this in a process of 2 days. I wish I would have come back on camera today because I wand the hair yesterday and I went to sleep and I slept with it in a bonnet. And when I tell you the hair is still wavy today, this hair holds a bomb curl. Now, from the original video, I wore it in the body wave state. In that video, I flat ironed it straight. And then I had I flat ironed it straight and then I curled it with a 1.5 inch curling iron. And then I had many, many questions on whether the hair reverts back. So that is basically what I did prior to this video. Washed it so it could revert back, and I love it. I'm gonna have all the details linked down below. Big thank you to YWigs for sponsoring another video. Let me know what you guys think about this. This might be one of my favorites, and I know I say that every time I try a new texture or color combo, I say the same thing, but I honestly do love this one. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.